Okay, it's restarted. Wow, they're all by me. Hey, you guys, can you make the Affleck little ducky over there? Can you make him? Look how pretty that was. Can you make it quack quack? He says Affleck, and he giggles. I'm gonna play with it, see what it does. That was a silly Affleck toy. Wow. I'm not moving, you guys. That's the orbs changing my, and they're changing my screen green in here. Wow. They were doing it in the other bathroom yellow. Not yellow, blue. Now this is green in here. I'll have to find out what the green is again. Wow, they got so many orbs. Check that. And they're all surrounded by them toys and surrounded by me. See them? I guess they're coming to thank me. Y'all are so welcome. I'll leave out the toys for y'all. Oh, that was me. I can now put the frame. Sorry, you guys. I'm glad I didn't get rid of all his toys. Kind of want to... I forgot what I was going to say, but glad I didn't get rid of his toys. So these little children can play with toys. Look at them. They're coming from somewhere. Coming from out the bathroom in here. Oh, that was a pretty one. Now I'm pause it real quick. No, actually, I'm going to let it run for a second. I'm going to set my phone down real quick. Now, that's me making noises. I'm trying to get the paper where it tells me the colors of the orbs. All right. Now, last night I seen blue, white, pink, yellow, red, green, and a turquoise orbs. Okay, the blue and the white, I already explained what those were. The pink means openness. Also means another meaning, but I didn't quite get another meaning to it just yet. Yellow means caution. Red means stress or restlessness. Green is healing. And the turquoise, here we go. The blue-green, should I say, is amusement and neutrality. However you pronounce it. Sorry. So, those are the color of orbs we seen last night. Now, I'm going to get closer to the toys because I want to see if they move. Can one of y'all move the toys? I don't know if they're going to move the toys because I'm so close to it. I wonder if I have a flashlight that they can play with. I'm going to make this a 5-minute video because this was a good video. It's based on kids. Well, actually, I should stop it right now.